Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. This is Time FK7, and today we're going to be deleting the pinstriping on the Type R. Let's go. One of the things that I don't like about this car is that it has too much red, and if you haven't watched my video of the things that I don't like about this car, I will be putting it probably up here or up here somewhere. Again, this is just basically on my opinions. It has way too much red. This car, I get it, it's a Type R, it's a sports car, but yeah, a lot of red on this car, and I prefer to have black instead. Like, I appreciate having a little bit of red, but it's just too much red. That's just my opinion. So yeah, this car has too much red in my opinion. So today we're going to be deleting the red pinstriping that's in the aero kit that is on this car. And the thing that's good about this is that it's really cheap. And if you don't like it, just like with the wrap, you can just peel it right off and go back to the stock. So for all you Type R owners out there that doesn't like the red pinstriping, then this mod or installation is for you. So with this product, this is what it looks like. It's not bad. I mean, it has that carbon fiber look to it. So it kind of matches the little pinstriping that we have right here. It's pretty simple. All you really have to do is just clean this part off. What I like to do is I use alcohol. I like to spray the alcohol on the cloth. That way it won't go on your paint.
Oh, and can I ask you a question?
You can ask a question.
So is that waterproof? I can see that the alcohol is going away.
Yeah, because alcohol is fast drying. And one thing that you want to make sure is to get this part right here, because look how dirty it is. So if there's like dirt that is on the tape, then it could affect the way that this would stick on your vehicle. So you just want to make sure it's nice and clean again. So that's pretty much as clean as it's gonna get. Start off at the very beginning and just work your way down. Make sure none of the red is showing. Okay. And this is a fairly easy process. You're basically just taking a big, long piece of tape and covering the red stuff. We're about a quarter way done, or maybe a third, I don't know. Okay, just hold it there, okay? Since we reached the end, I'm going to cut a little piece just about right here. Right there is good. And then this little piece, if you guys want to take a look, you're just going to wrap it around like that. And you're done with this side at least. And you're going to want to make sure that you push this in. That way, you know, just to make sure that it's completely stuck to the pinstripe. Just like this. So it peels off like that. Stick it on like that. And you're done with one side.
Kind of looks cool.
Do you like it? Do you like it better? Honestly, it looks a lot cleaner. So that's without the pinstripe. We're gonna be moving on to the front. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have Aubrey do it. So this one, you just have to press really hard. Going a little bit crooked here. This is where it gets a little bit tricky because as you can see, there's like, it goes up and then it goes like that. So I'm gonna do my best to try to follow it. It might not be perfect, but there you go, see? So what I did was, I don't know if you guys can see it, but see that? I had to fold it in order for this to like go up at an angle, just like that. But you can't even notice it, honestly. We're gonna do the same over here. So just follow the line. When you get to over here, kind of want this to fold. So kind of force it. Just like this. I'm kind of just like following my finger with a tape and just like push it in. Just like that. So now it looks like that. Alright guys, and then after 30 minutes of putting the carbon fiber pinstripe, she looks a lot cleaner and a lot better, in my opinion. And this is what it looks like with the stock wheels. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did something to the Type R. The wheel isn't as in as it was before. But that's going to be in another video. But look how nice it looks without the red pinstripe. Well, in my opinion, it looks better. The only thing that I need to do really is probably the wheels. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this on or, you know, match it with, you know, put like a gloss black or something on this in the future. But I think it looks okay as it is right now. But yeah, this is the end result of blacking out the red stuff, pinstripe wise. If we go right here, especially the rear, it looks so much better in my opinion. And honestly, I should have gotten the blacked out tips for the AWE exhaust, because that middle tip is always dirty, it's always black. So I'm gonna have to either use like Plasti Dip, the heat resistant Plasti Dip, and probably just black out the tips one day. But honestly, this looks really good. As always, if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below what you guys think of this video, or if you have any future suggestions on what kind of videos that I should be making on the channel. There will be more videos of the FK7 soon. Also on the channel, I haven't really been uploading. I know last week I missed an upload. There will be more times where I'm going to be missing an upload. That's because I'm actually busy with a new home for these two cars. So you guys might see it in the future, but these cars are going to have a place to sit where it's nice and it has a roof over it. So in short, these cars will be inside of a garage soon, which you guys will see in the future on my upcoming videos. That's why I've been super busy, but other than that, I'm going to try to make more videos for you guys, stay consistent with my videos as much as possible. But yeah, anyways guys, thank you all for watching. This is Time FK7, and peace out.